You ever notice how nobody thinks about air conditioning until it stops working at 2 in the morning during a heat wave? That is the exact moment your travel nurse tenant decides to text you in all caps, and suddenly HVAC scheduling becomes your entire personality for the day. Here's the thing about midterm rentals that nobody warns you about. Your tenants are not staying one night like a hotel guest who does not care about routine. They are living there for weeks or months, and they built an actual life around your thermostat. So when you show up unannounced with a technician to service the unit, you are not just fixing a machine, you are interrupting someone's nap, their work call, or their attempt to finally watch that show everyone keeps talking about. Respect the routine or prepare for a review that reads like a breakup letter. The smartest move is building a maintenance calendar before anyone even moves in. Think of it like scheduling a dentist appointment for your property. Boring, but way cheaper than an emergency root canal situation with your compressor. Most HVAC systems need a checkup twice a year, once before summer and once before winter. If you tell tenants this up front in the lease, it stops feeling like a surprise invasion and starts feeling like normal homeowner adulting they signed up for. Communication is basically the secret sauce here, and I mean real communication, not just a vague text 3 hours before. Give at least 48 hours notice, offer a couple of time windows, and let them pick what works around their schedule instead of yours. Here's a fun myth people believe, that all HVAC issues are emergencies requiring instant entry like you are storming a castle. In reality, routine filter changes and seasonal tune-ups can almost always wait for a scheduled slot, so save the dramatic entrance for actual no heat in January situations. Technicians love mornings for a reason. Systems are cooler, tenants are usually heading out for the day, and nobody is mid-Zoom meeting sweating through a big presentation. Try to slot service between 9 in the morning and 11 in the morning whenever possible. It is the sweet spot of least disruption. You also want a system that tracks warranty dates, filter changes, and last service visits, because relying on your memory is basically gambling with your property. A simple spreadsheet or property management app works. In future, you will send present you a thank you card. Preventive maintenance is where the real magic happens. Kinda like flossing, but for your rental income. Regular filter changes prevent the compressor from working overtime, which means fewer breakdowns and fewer awkward apology texts to angry tenants. Let us talk data for a second because numbers make things feel official. Studies suggest routine HVAC maintenance can extend a system's lifespan by several years and reduce energy costs significantly, which means less money leaking out of your pocket every single month. Some hosts think batching all maintenance into one giant chaotic week saves time. It actually backfires because tenants feel like their home turned into a construction zone, so spreading tasks out keeps the peace and keeps your reviews looking healthy. A good trick is offering a small gesture after service, like a quick follow-up message asking if the temperature feels right now. It takes 10 seconds and makes tenants feel like a human cares about their comfort instead of just collecting rent. At the end of the day, HVAC scheduling is not really about machines, it is about trust. Tenants who feel respected stay longer, leave better reviews, and forgive the occasional inconvenience because they know you are not just some landlord ghost who disappears until rent is due. So, if you are managing midterm rentals and want a system that keeps tenants happy while keeping your property running smoothly, do you want to learn more about how we can help? Check out our links in the description for more tips and tools from Room Xylee and Listy Travels.